Hello again. Well, we did the book. Now it's time for the workbook. This is part 3A. Where are my keys? Part 1. Everybody write the name of the things. Take your time. Do it with your friends. Very good. You can stop the video. Very good. Now, first one, what is it? It's a photo. Next one, what is it? It's an umbrella. What is it? It's a bag. What is it? It's a tablet. What is it? It's a phone. What is it? It's a passport. What is it? It's a pencil. It's a newspaper. It's a camera. And their glasses. What are they? Their glasses. It's a notebook. It's a credit card. It's a charger, a phone charger. It's a key and it's an ID card. Well done. Part 2. Grammar. Everybody write a or an and write the plural of the words in here. What's plural? Look, for example, a camera, singular, 1, a camera, 2 cameras, 3 cameras. That is called plural. Very good. So a camera, cameras, an umbrella, umbrellas, a book, books, a watch, watches, email, an email, emails, a country, countries, a city, cities, a key, keys, an address, addresses, a laptop, laptops, a debit card, debit cards. Very good. Easy. Now, the challenge. Everybody write questions and answers. For example, what is it? It's a dictionary. The rest is yours. Stop the video and do it. Take your time. No rush. Take it easy. Very good. Check with your friends. Let's do it with me. Number 2. What are they? What are they? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, plural. What are they? Their keys. Number 3, what is it? It's a photo. Number 4, what are they? Their pens. Number 5, what is it? It's an ID card. Number 6, what is it? It's a door. Number 7, what is it? It's a table. And number 8, what are they? Their coats. Very nice. Back to you. What's in your bag? Write 5 things. Okay, very good. So, a briefcase and a backpack or a bag. Look and write the items. A wallet, for example, a pen, all right, or keys. All right, very good. So this is your turn. Part 3. Listen and repeat. Let's do it.
3.1 File 3A Pronunciation A 1.
Zebra, z. Names, bags.
2.
Snake,
Se.
s. Books, students.
3.
Is, addresses, purses.
Very good, very nice. Now I need you to listen and circle. 3 words with is, like this is, addresses, purses. Listen and circle.
3.2 File 3A Pronunciation. B.
Pieces.
Classes.
Coats.
Glasses.
Laptops.
Pencils.
Phones.
Wallets.
Okay, very good. So, which ones? Check with your friend. Check. Pieces, classes, glasses. You're right. Last set. Let's do it with me. Complete the conversations with a phrase from the list. Where's your bag? Oh no, it's in the car. Number 2. Where are my glasses? They're in your bag. Number 3. Excuse me, sir. What's in your bag? I have a wallet, a book, and an umbrella. And last one. What are they? I think they're credit cards. And that's all there is to it. And that's the practice for today. You see, we do it every day, even if it's just a little, but every day. We call it consistency. Consistency. Bye-bye.